You may not recognize this part, but you've definitely seen robots. That's right, I'm the micro ball screw, the core component inside robotic arms. To show you how small it really is, let's compare it with a standard ball screw. And we can go even smaller, down to the size of a needle. These micro screws are ideal for robot finger joints, boosting both motion efficiency and accuracy. Even though they're tiny, they still offer the same high precision and efficiency as full-size screws. What level of precision do you think a micro ball screw has? Let us know in the comments. What's the smallest size of micro ball screws you know of? Do you believe in its high precision and high efficiency?